everybody. This is the official unveiling of my latest book, Salt and Light. This is my 15th book, friends, but it's only the first book on Christian culture, and I'm really excited about it. And right now I've got the first box that was delivered here yesterday at our offices in Stillwater. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to see what these books look like. There it is, Salt and Light, The Secret to Restoring America's Culture by Daniel J. Pilla. The foreword was written by my good friend Gary Cassie, pastor of Faith Life Church in Columbus, Ohio. Gary and I have been working together for 25 or more years. He was gracious enough to write this foreword for me, and I really appreciate that. So here it is. All of you that ordered books through pre-publication, both through Gary's church and off our website, these books are going out today. We've got all of the orders ready to ship. If you haven't ordered your book yet, what are you waiting for? Get busy. Go to our website, danpilla.com or taxhelponline.com, or call our phone number 1-800-346-6829 and order your copy of Salt and Light today.